Beautiful morning to all. Here is another edition of Improve Further series, and I'm your lifelong friend Vineet. आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत है. I welcome you all from the bottom of my heart. We have already done stanza 1 of Sudama Charit by Narottam Das, and today we will take up stanzas 2, 3 and 4. This stanza reads as ऐसे बेहाल बिवाइन सो पग कंटक जाल लगे पुनि जोए हाय महादुख पायो सखा तुम आए इतई न कितई दिन खोए देखी सुदामा की दीन दशा करुणा करी के करुणा निधि रोए पानी परात को हाथ छुयो नहीं नयनन के जल सो पग धोए. So now we'll try to understand the word meanings, that is Shabdat in Hindi, so that we get to understand this stanza, that is stanza 2, better. ऐसे बेहाल means बुरे हाल, bad condition. Bewain so means फटी एड़ियां, heels with cracks or cracked heels as we say. Pug is पांव, foot. कंटक is काटा, thorn. पुनि जोए is निकालना, to take out. महादुख मतलब बहुत दुख, so many miseries. Sakha is mitra, friend or pal. In case if you want to say sakha for a female, we say as sakhi. Sakha is usually for a male. Itay na kitay means itne din, for so many days, for several days. There are some more. The next one is deen dasa, means buri dasha, bad condition. Karuna karike, which means daya karke, with much kindness and compassion. Karuna nidhi, daya ke sagar, who has immense love and kindness inside. Pani parat is khula bartan, an open utensil. Haath chuyo nahi, that means haath na lagaya, did not touch with hand. Nayanan ke jal, aankhon ke aasuon, that means with tears. So let us look at the images for better understanding. The first one is cracked heels. The second one is paga, that is foot or pug as we call as. The next one is kantak, that is thorn. Here there are many thorns, right? And we know that in case if it pricks our skin, blood oozes out. So let us look at some more images. The first one is an open utensil. The next one is tears or teary-eyed. In case if you find someone who has tears in her or his eyes, you can call the person as teary-eyed. So here we are back on stanza 2 and we'll try to understand the meaning. At the same time, in the next few slides, we'll try to also understand the explanation in Hindi as well as English. So, ऐसे बेहाल बिवाइन सो, you have cracked heels. Now what is happening is Lord Krishna, when he meets Sudama, once the gatekeeper announces that Sudama has come, he simply rushes out, भाग के आते हैं बाहर और अपने दोस्त से मिलते हैं. And when he looks at the condition, that's when he starts saying, ऐसे बेहाल बिवाइन सो, you have such cracked heels, तुम्हारे पाँव कितने फटे हुए हैं. पग कंटक जाल लगे पुनि जोए, you have got so many thorns pricked your skin, pricked skin of your foot. तुम्हारे पैरों में कितने कांटे चुभे हुए हैं. हाय महादुख पायो सखा, माई फ्रेंड यू हैव अंडरगॉन सो मेनी मिजरीज, कितने तुमको दुख मिले हैं मेरे दोस्त. तुम आए इतई न कितई दिन खोए, वेयर वर यू, कहाँ थे तुम इतने दिन तक. इतने दिन इन दिस केस इट्स गोइंग टू बी ईयर्स टुगेदर, सेवरल ईयर्स, बहुत सारे साल. देखी सुदामा की दीन दशा, looking at the miserable condition of Sudama, the sad condition of Sudama. Karuna karike karuna nidhi roe. Lord Krishna, who is considered as Karunanidhi, as he has so much compassion, kindness and love for others, he started weeping profusely. बहुत ज़्यादा रोने लगे. पानी परात को हाथ छुयो नहीं. He did not touch the water in the open utensil. नैनन के जल सो पग धोए. He simply washed the feet of his friend with his tears. So there was actually a ritual in the yesteryears, ancient times में एक ritual होता था that whenever a guest used to come, people used to wash their feet with clean water, right? So this time, Lord Krishna, he did not touch the water. which was being brought in the utensil. He simply washed the feet of his long lost friend Sudama with his tears. So now I'm going to read out the Vyakhya, that is explanation, first in English and then in Hindi. The moment Lord Krishna gets to know about the arrival of his childhood friend, he comes running outside and states on seeing Sudama, "You're in such a bad condition, and where were you for such a long time?" He said so while taking out thorns from his cracked heels. He wept, means cried, so much on seeing his friend's miserable condition that he need not to touch water filled in the open utensil and cleaned his feet. His means Sudama's feet with his tears flowing down. अब हम बात करेंगे हिंदी में व्याख्या की. कृष्ण सुदामा के विषय में सुनकर दौड़कर बाहर आए तथा सुदामा को बेहाल देखा. सुदामा की बिवाइयों से भरे पैर से श्री कृष्ण ने कांटे खोज कर निकाले और प्रेम से बोले कि मेरे परम मित्र, तुमसे अलग होना मेरे लिए महादुख था. तुम इतने दिन कहाँ रहे? सुदामा का ऐसा हाल देखकर दया के सागर श्री कृष्ण दया से रो पड़े. उन्होंने सुदामा के पैर धोने के लिए मंगाई परात को हाथ नहीं लगाया, बल्कि अपने आंसुओं से ही पैर धो डाले. We are now starting with stanza 3. कछु भाभी हमको दियो सो तुम काहे न देत, चापी पोटरी काख में रहे कहो कहीं हेतु. आगे चना गुरु मातु दे ते, लये तुम चाबी हमें नहीं दीने. श्याम कहाउए मुस्काए सुदामा सो, चोरी की बान में हो जू प्रवीणे. पोटरी काख में चापी रहे तुम, खोलत नहीं सुधा रस भीने. पाछली बानी अजो न तजो तुम, तेसई भाभी के तंदुल किन्हे. Before moving to the explanation part, we'll look at the word meanings, that is shabdat. Kachu is kuch, some, something. Bhabhi is bhai अथवा मित्र की पत्नी, sister-in-law. Potri is potli, bundle. काहे न देत, किस कारण से नहीं दे रहे. Why are you not giving? What's the reason? काक is काक, armpit. Guru Matu is Guru की पत्नी, teacher's wife. Chana is chana, gram. Syam is shyam, that is dark. Let us look at some more word meanings, that is कुछ और शब्दार्थ कर लेते हैं. चापी is छिपाना, to hide. चाबी is चबाना, to chew. बान is आदत, habit. प्रवीण is कुशल, expert. पाछली बानी is पुरानी आदत, old habit. Taji is chodi, to leave. Tandul, in this case, Tandul also is a gift because Lord Krishna did not know what Sudama's wife has sent. But otherwise, Tandul means anaj, vishesh roop se chawal, that is grains, especially rice. These images are going to be really helpful in terms of better understanding. So the first one is potli, bundle. The next one is chana, that is gram. And the next one is chabana, to chew. Here are a couple of more images for our better understanding. The first one is kaak, that is armpit. And the next one is tandul, rice or any kind of grain. In this case, remember that it's a gift. Coming back to stanza 3 to understand it better, word for word, line by line. Kachu bhabhi humko diyo so tum kahe na det. So after the ritual of washing feet, now when Lord Krishna spots that my friend Sudama is hiding something in his bundle, he presumes that it might be some gift sent by his sister-in-law. जब वो देखते हैं कि यार ये सुदामा जो मेरा दोस्त है ये कुछ अपनी काख में पोटली में जो पोटली है काख में छिपा रहा है, उनको लग जाता है यार मेरी भाभी ने कोई मुझे गिफ्ट भेजा होगा, मुझे उपहार भेजा होगा. कछु भाभी हमको दियो सो तुम काहे न देत. What my sister-in-law has sent for me, why are you not giving it to me? जो मेरी भाभी ने मुझे उपहार भेजा है, द गिफ्ट शी हैज सेंट, तुम मुझे क्यों नहीं दे रहे हो. चापी पोटरी काख में रहे कहो कहीं हेतु. वाई आर यू हाइडिंग द पोटली, द बंडल इन योर आर्मपिट. तुम उसको क्यों छिपा रहे हो, तुम पोटली को, तुम बंडल को क्यों छिपा रहे हो, जो गिफ्ट उसके अंदर है निकालो. आगे चना गुरु मातु देते, लय तुम चाबी हमें नहीं दीने. So during the childhood days when we were studying together, that is Lord Krishna and Sudama were classmates as well. So the teacher's wife, the guru's wife, had given सम ग्राम्स चना दिया था उनको शेयर करने के लिए, खाने के लिए साथ में. बट कृष्ण सेज, लॉर्ड कृष्ण सेज दैट व्हाट शी हैड गिवन यू डिड नॉट शेयर विथ मी. श्याम कहा हुए मुस्काए सुदामा, सो चोरी की बान में हो जो प्रवीण. He says that, look boss, he says jokingly with a smile, who? Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna बहुत मुस्कुरा के कहते हैं कि चोरी की बान में हो जो प्रवीण है. You are an expert in stealing. तुम चोरी में एक्सपर्ट हो. पोटरी काख में चापी रहे, तुम खोलत नहीं सुधारस बीने. यू आर सिंपली हाइडिंग द बंडल इन योर आर्मपिट. तुमने आर्मपिट में अपनी काख में उस बंडल को छिपा रखा है. And you're not opening it. खोलत means to open, nahi means no. You're not opening it. Sudharas bhine. What is there inside which is immersed in nectar? जो अंदर है, जो अमृत में भीगा हुआ है. That is very delicious. I mean, you can look at it in this way. पाछली बानी अजो न तजो तुम. Your old habit is not gone. जो तुम्हारी पुरानी आदत है वो वहीं की वहीं है. तैसे ही भाभी की तंदुल कीन है. And you're not giving the gift sent by my sister-in-law for me. और तुम मेरी भाभी का गिफ्ट मुझको नहीं दे रहे हो जो मेरी भाभी ने मुझको भेजा है. We'll now read out the Vyakya explanation first in English and then in Hindi. Why are you not giving what my sister-in-law has sent for me? Why are you hiding the bundle in your armpit? This is your old habit. During our childhood, when teacher's wife gave us gram, you ate it all yourself without sharing it with me. So now who is saying to whom? That is Lord Krishna is simply saying this to Sudama, his childhood friend. You have become an expert in hiding things. You are hiding the bundle and not opening what is immersed in the nectar, which means very delicious. Out of your old habit, you're not giving me the gift, rice basically, sent by my sister-in-law. अब हम अपना रुख हिंदी व्याख्या की तरफ करते हैं. श्री कृष्ण कहते हैं, मेरी भाभी ने जो मेरे लिए भेजा है वह तुम मुझे क्यों नहीं दे रहे? मेरे लिए लाई पोटली को बगल में क्यों छिपा रहे हो? कृष्ण उस पर ताना मारते हुए कहते हैं कि जैसे उसने बचपन में उनकी गुरु माँ द्वारा दिए चने उसे ना देकर खुद खा लिए थे, वैसे ही वह अब भी उनके तोहफों को उन्हें क्यों नहीं दे रहे हैं? क्या वह चोरी करने में कुशल हो गए हैं? कृष्ण जी कहते हैं कि वह क्यों पोटली छिपा रहे हैं, उसे निकाल कर क्यों नहीं देते? उसमें से कितनी सुगंधित अमृत की खुशबू आ रही है. क्या उनकी पिछली आदत नहीं छूटी है जो भाभी द्वारा भेजा तोहफा उपहार छिपा रहे हैं? And now we will start with the last stanza for this particular edition, that is stanza 4. वह पुलकनी व उठी मिलनी, वह आदर की बात, वह पठवनी गोपाल की कछु न जानी जात. घर घर कर ओढ़त फिरे, तनक दही के काज, कहाँ भयो जो अब भयो हरि को राज समाज. हऊ आवत नहीं नाही हुतो, वाही पठियो ठेली, अब कही हो समुझाए के बहुदन धरो सकेली. So now we'll check out Shabdat, that is word meanings, because we don't have much to showcase in terms of images. So we'll only do Shabdat for this particular stanza. पहला है पुलकनी, that is खुश होकर, happily. उठी मिलनी means गले मिलना, to hug, to embrace. पटवनी is भेजना, to send. Hari is another name for Lord Krishna, right? Raj Samaj is राज्य में, in kingdom. ओढ़त फिरे, इधर उधर फिरना, roam around. तनक is थोड़ा, some. वाही पठियो is खाली हाथ, empty handed. ठेली is भेजना, to send. धन is दौलत, wealth. धरो is रखना, to keep. We'll now start with the explanation, that is Vyakya in English. Sudama was elated with the way Lord Krishna welcomed him with happiness and by embracing him. So Sudama बहुत खुश थे, he was really happy. जिस हिसाब से, जिस तरह से Lord Krishna welcomed him with a lot of happiness and he embraced him as well, he came running for him. But he was confused with the intention of Lord Krishna as he was sending him away empty-handed. But अब क्या था कि Sudama was really confused because he was such a big king of Dwarka. Who? Lord Krishna. But he did not give any gift to Sudama at all. He remembers the childhood days of Krishna when he used to move from one door to another for some curd. He simply remembered that Krishna was never a king, was not always a king, in fact, was not always of a royal lineage as such. He used to go from one door to another to ask for some curd. He was poor in a way, right? He might have become a king, but still did not offer anything to him. Now Sudama is thinking, boss, you have become a king. You have become so wealthy. You have a huge kingdom. But I'm still being sent away empty-handed. मुझे फिर भी तुमने खाली हाथ भेज दिया है. Sudama was really annoyed with his wife who sent him forcibly as he was not willing to. Sudama बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा थे. He was really angry with his wife. Annoy is basically to be angry. अपनी बीवी से बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा थे because she was the one who sent him forcibly. Forcibly is compel करके, force करके, ज़बरदस्ती भेजा. He was not willing to come. Sudama was never willing to come to Dwarka to meet Lord Krishna. It was his wife who insisted that go and meet your friend because he's so wealthy, he is a king, he will be able to help you. Now he will inform his wife on reaching that Lord Krishna had given much wealth which shall be kept carefully. He was thinking, मैं अब पहुंचूंगा and I will tell my wife that look, I mean, Lord Krishna has given so much wealth, इतना सारा धन दौलत दिया है, and now keep it carefully. So that what the explanation for this particular stanza is all about. अब हम इन पंक्तियों की व्याख्या हिंदी में समझ लेते हैं. सुदामा सोच रहे हैं कि जब वे कृष्ण के यहाँ पहुंचे थे तब तो उन्होंने बड़ी प्रसन्नता दिखाई थी. वे उठकर गले मिले थे और सुदामा को बहुत आदर भी दिया था. पर विदाई के अवसर पर इस तरह खाली हाथ भिजवाने की बात सुदामा को समझ नहीं आ रही थी. सुदामा कृष्ण के बचपन को याद करके सोचते हैं यह वही कृष्ण है जो थोड़ी सी दही मांगने के लिए घर घर हाथ फैलाया करता था. भला वह उन्हें क्या देंगे. सुदामा तो पहले से ही माखन चोर कृष्ण को जानते थे, पर उनकी पत्नी ने ही उन्हें जिद करके यहाँ भेजा था. सुदामा बहुत नाराज थे और सोच रहे थे कि अब जाकर वे अपनी पत्नी से कहेंगे कि बहुत धन मिल गया है, अब इसे संभाल कर रखो. वे यहाँ आना नहीं चाहते थे. अब हालत यह थी कि जो चावल वे मांग कर लाए थे वह भी कृष्ण ने ले लिए थे. बदले में खाली हाथ वापसी हुई. So here we complete the explanation of stanzas 2, 3 and 4. I hope they will come handy for you. And the remaining two stanzas we are going to take up in the next video, which will simply complete Sudama Charit by Narottam Das. आपका दिन मंगलमय हो. May you all have a blessed day today and ahead. Before I simply end this video, I want to say a few things. First one is Mong Mai Puni Gopal. That is Jatan. Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday, Gopal. By the way, another name for Lord Krishna is Gopal, right? So may you get what all you desire, my son. Next one is, I just want to ask you all, my thang ja. How are you all? And in case if you ask me, koi my, I'm all fine and want to say I miss you all and I love all of you. Koi naam dwap ka lung pu. Dhanyavad. Thank you. Champongai Nai. We'll meet again. God bless you all.